Oh wow. Okay, come on, let's go, guys. We're gonna dry up there. As long as I gotta let you guys in her car like that. Good job, Edie.
Come on, Judah.
Come on, babe. Good job. Get it again. Is it heavy for you? Push it as hard as you can. And try to line these things up. Try to line it up so the boat can get the line it up. Line it up where it's going to go. Push it as hard as you can.
Uh-oh. Go, go. Huh.
That's so
Wow. Almost by the wall. What do you think, Judah? You got one, Andy.
as hard as you can so you can hit all those walls. Push it. No, you don't do that. Just push it. Push it hard. You see you're setting it up.
Not bad. What you got? Oh.
Not bad, Daddy, not bad.
All right, now the ball's gonna come back.